This tutorial is designed to give you a brief look at how to grade your classroom modules or activities. To first grade and review your discussions, we're going to take a look at a sample discussion forum here. You click on the forum link, then you can either add a topic yourself, or you could come here to a student's link, click on that, and you can read the student posts. You can reply by going here, or you can go ahead and grade them under the rating section, and you will select the appropriate rating for them. Once done, you can go back to the home page of the class. Now, in order to grade the journal for this particular class, it's also basically a quiz in an essay format. So what you're going to do is click on the link for that journal quiz. You're going to see the number of attempts. Click on the number of attempts. Scroll down, and you'll see everyone who attempted this journal. In order to grade it, you click here under Requires Grading. You'll be taken to the screen where you can actually read what they put in the journal or essay, and from there you can click on Make Comment or Override the Mark. Once you click there, you'll see a screen that is more complete, and you'll go down and type in any comments that you may have, and then type in the score for the grade for that journal post. And you have to make sure that once you've done that, you scroll down and click the Save button, and this will close out the journal. But once it's closed, you will still be taken back to this initial window, and here you'll scroll to the bottom and click Close this window. Now this finalizes the grade. So you must make sure you go through both of these windows and close them. Then you can go either to the other students listed, or you can finish out and go back to the class homepage here. And that is how you grade or review a discussion post, or grade and review the journal postings.